Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. And as you saw the title of this video, I am starting a basic introduction web series for option basics. If you are already my subscriber of my channel, you would know that I have made a lot of videos on option trading strategies, some of the basics which are already available, most of them which are already available, and some customized ones also. However, I have never made a video on a complete introduction as such. I think I have made a couple of videos on the introduction, just one video as such, one of few videos, but not in detail. So what this series will have the series will have um, will should cover all the basics of options. So if you are new to options, this is a must watch series for you, because I have already created all the topics associated with this, and I will be breaking down into small parts so that you can understand it much better. Now, I will try to create more videos, but since I like to create the consistency of the videos in my channel, I will release one video every day. So hopefully I try to create one video per day for this particular web series, especially. But in the next few days, you will see part one, part two, and the subsequent parts. So at this point of time, I have not decided how many parts I'm going to make, but the content is ready. I will break down options into so simple that you would be able to understand what is actually happening with the option premiums and things like that. So, and what I usually do is I break down these complicated topics into simple parts, so that actually um, uh, you can actually ask questions or clarifications if you have a doubt in a particular section only. So you can actually have the option of commenting and asking questions, so that I answer and clarify them for you. And the reason why I'm breaking down is to make this topic so simple, even though it's known as one of the most complex things mathematically. The premiums and a lot of other factors which affect option premiums. However, once you finish this web series, it would be you would be in a situation that you would actually be equally good than many, or either equally good or better than many option traders in the whole world, not only in India. And the reason why I'm saying this is because the logic, the concept of options about call premiums, implied volatility, all these things remain the same. The the basic concepts will remain the same wherever you go, whether it is in American style, European style, all those things, and I will be covering each and every topic. So if you also think that in between that I should make a video on this topic, maybe it's already there in my in my agenda in the next part or subsequent parts. But if you think that I should make a video, or maybe I can miss out too. But I have made sure that the series is designed in such a way that you understand the basics very clearly. On top of that, as I told you, the reason why I'm hyping is there is no reason. Sometimes there is no reason. The only reason why I am here for this channel itself is for educational purposes. So this series, yes, if you are asking the cost, there is no cost involved for this. And my channel is completely available free of cost to anyone who is searching the web or YouTube channel. And I'm trying to create a legacy here by starting an educational channel. As you would see, one of the recent videos which I made recently was I might have very less subscribers at this point of time, but the content which I'm providing is really high class, and some of the people who have huge numbers, 13,000 or more than 5,000 subscribers, some of them are giving you crap. daily, literally. I can tell you this. Some of them are actually giving you bold prediction. Just for the bold prediction, people are subscribing to it. I do not do anything like that. I'm right here. Honestly, I'm here to educate you. Some of the best channels which I follow, I make videos on them. And here is the first major web series which I'm going to begin. So that's why I started with an introduction video first, and then start the video series. So you would, as I always promise, I will try to make one video. You will get one video per day from me, especially on this series also, unless my health permits. Of course, I'm just, as you can hear from my voice, not keeping very well, but making an series video in small parts should not be difficult unless I'm not able to speak completely. So that's another thing. All right. So that's it for this introduction video, and I will see you on the first part of the video very soon. Thank you.